Hello everyone, welcome to this video. So many students asked me this that ma'am strategy ye wo that is fine, but we just need only syllabus mapping. So I thought that I'll make a detailed video on exact syllabus mapping for IP MAT Indore exam. Okay? So I am only going to take topics, question types and expected weightage. Okay? So this video will be in depth for these three things. I don't have any strategy today. I will just give you what will come for you in the exam. Okay. So first, what is fixed? Let's see that. Okay. 45 questions fixed hai. 40 minutes fixed hai. Plus 4 minus 1. Correct. This is raw structure. है ना? So देखो, question are counted by, they are topic. They are not trend based. So topics are fixed. Weightage is also more or less fixed for you. है ना? So they're not officially fixed like that, but more or less seeing the pattern of the PYQs, we get a general idea. Okay. So we have to use ranges, not exact promises. This is very obvious, correct? Now see, snapshot. So 12 to 18 questions. See, so 12 questions will be of RC and 6 questions will be of conversation analysis. Okay? So 2 RCs will be there for 12 questions, 6 questions each and 6 questions for conversation analysis. So basically RC plus conversation analysis total there will be 18 questions. Got it? Vocab plus context, there will be 8 to 12 questions. Grammar, there will be 6 to 8 questions. Para jumble, around 5. Again, para completion also, there can be 0 to 5. Got it? So these are the individual broad categories of questions that come for you in the exam. So basically, if you see, it is divided into 3 parts. Vocab, correct? RC based, that is para completion and para jumble and reading comprehension, and third is grammar. Got it? These are the 3 broad topics for you in the exam. Okay. Now, what kind of passages are there in RC? Correct? There are economy or business related, society, social media, or general, trends that are going on right now. You have psychology, you have behavior passages, you can have science and technology, you'll have culture, literature, ideas, or arts, correct? Or you can also have sort of philosophy kind of passages. You can have education, policy, and ethics. Okay. So in recent times, whatever the pattern was observed, so recent times there were RCs on meta. 2025 had one meta RC, correct? Economy and business. These are the recent genres that were observed in your IPMAT Indore exam. Now, question types. So, what are idea question types? Logic, detail, and tone. So, in idea, you'll have main idea, you'll have title, you'll have primary purpose, you can also have summary. How will you summarize particular paragraph? Sort of like that question also can come for you. In this, you'll have inference question, you can have assumption question. Why does author say this? Function, what is the function of a particular line? Correct? So these are the logic questions, and this is the area where students they find it difficult. Students find it difficult. So I will obviously, I'm just going to map it today, but elimination techniques and all will have further videos based on them. You have tone questions. Tone, attitude, author stance. Will the author agree with this? Will the author disagree with this? Sort of questions. Specific detail, what we also call as factual questions. Except, not true, vocab in context also. Why is the author using this particular word here? Or what is the meaning of this particular word that is used? Correct? So these are the types of questions that come for you for RCs. Now let's go ahead. Let's see conversation analysis. Conversation analysis is also like, mini RC. Sort of dialogue set. 2 or 3 people are talking to each other. Okay. 2 to 3 people. Okay. They are talking to each other. Okay. So speaker's intention. Why is the speaker ask the question why? Correct. Tone of the speaker, implied meaning, role of a line, again agreement, disagreement, and best continuation. If you are ending it somewhere, if the conversation is ending somewhere, what can be done? Okay, what should be serving as continuity after that? Okay, so 4 option MCQs are there. There are 6 questions for this also, for conversation analysis also. Then vocabulary topic map. Vocab is not only synonym, antonym. You have to study all this. Phrasal verbs are there. There can be foreign words also. One word substitution can also be there. Then idioms and phrases, they are definitely there. Correct? This is context based. Correct? This is context based. करेक्ट सो ये सारे आ सकते हैं आपको. ठीक है. नाउ कॉन्टेक्चुअल वोकैब में क्या क्या आ सकता है? सिंगल ब्लैंक आते हैं, डबल ब्लैंक आते हैं, ग्रामर बेस्ड फिलर भी आते हैं आपको फिल इन द ब्लैंक में. ठीक है. फिर आता है वर्ड यूजेज. तो पहला तो है करेक्ट वर्ड इन कॉन्टेक्स्ट. कॉलोकेशन नॉर्मली क्या होता है? कंफ्यूजिंग वर्ड पेयर आ सकती है. मीनिंग इन कॉन्टेक्स्ट में क्लोजेस्ट मीनिंग क्या आ सकता है? फ्रेज का मीनिंग, टोन लोडेड वर्ड. ऑल दीज आर वोकैब काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस दैट विल कम फॉर यू. सी जॉनरास क्या है वोकैब के? एकेडमिक वर्ड्स, business words, abstract words, and everyday traps. Mostly all these words, we do cover in our classes also. Okay, we do cover most of these words in our classes. Now grammar topic map, subject verb agreement hai, tenses and verb forms, pronoun, case, references are there, preposition conjunction aate hai, modifier parallelism aate hai, articles, determiners, comparison. These are all the grammar topics for you. ठीक है. ये सारे टॉपिक्स ब्रिजेश सर विल कवर. हिल कवर वेरी नाइसली इन डेप्थ. देन ग्रामर के क्वेश्चन फॉर्म्स क्या क्या आते हैं? सेंटेंस करेक्शन, चूज द बेस्ट करेक्टेड वर्जन, एरर स्पॉटिंग इज देयर, फिलर ग्रामर दैट इज फिल इन द ब्लैंक टाइप में भी आ सकता है, यूजेज पेयर भी आ सकता है. 2 सिमिलर यूजेजेस आर गिवन एंड यू हैव टू चूज द करेक्ट वन. सो दीज आर द क्वेश्चंस दैट आर बेस्ड ऑन ग्रामर. देन पैराजम्बल, 4 to 5 sentence sequence. Then obviously you will have to follow this intro वाला sentence कौन सा आएगा, mandatory pairs बनानी पड़ेगी, connector logic बनाना पड़ेगा, pronoun reference chain, chronology, cause and effect. So these are the sort of skills that are tested in parajumble questions. पैरा कंप्लीशन में एंडिंग सेंटेंस आ सकता है, मिडल सेंटेंस आ सकता है, बेस्ट कॉन्टिन्यूएशन आ सकता है. ठीक है. करेक्ट. व्हाट कैन बी डन? इवन मिडल सेंटेंस, इवन आपको स्टार्टिंग सेंटेंस भी आ सकता है ना. देर कैन बी स्टार्टिंग मिसिंग सेंटेंस ऑल्सो, राइट. वो भी आ सकता है आपको. करेक्ट. अब देखो क्वेश्चन जॉनरा स्किल कौन सी टेस्ट हो रही है आपकी? मीनिंग टेस्ट हो रहा है वोकैबुलरी में, एक्यूरेसी टेस्ट हो रही है ग्रामर में, फ्लो टेस्ट हो रहा है पैराजम्बल में, और रीडिंग टेस्ट हो रहा है आरसी में. सो इट्स अ मिक्स ऑफ ऑल दी स्किल्स. यू विल नीड लॉजिक, यू विल नीड रीडिंग. दिस इज व्हाट फ्लो मतलब क्या? ये तो लॉजिक ही है ना. दिस इज लॉजिक, इजंट इट? करेक्ट. So basically logic, accuracy, application, meaning, reading, all these are the skills that are required for you. Okay. So IPMAT Indore VRC, it's a mix of reading comprehension, language accuracy, that is vocab, correct? Paragraph logic, grammar also is there, language accuracy mein, right? So these are the detailed topic maps for you for IPMAT Indore exam. This is it. Thank you guys.